Disclaimer: this very short skit is a desperate attempt at comedy by a bunch of 16-year-olds. Please don't get offended by the jokes. We are not suggesting that students purposely have network issues while classes, not the fact that they find these acts funny. Also, no animals were harmed during the making of the video and no teacher was driven mad as might be suggested by the video. So sit back and enjoy.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your chemistry online class. Today we'll be studying chemical bonding. Everyone, please turn your videos on and your
Morning, sir.
mics off. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, and get ready for the class. No, clueless Chatterjee, I did not ask you to turn your video off and your mic on. Do the other way around.
I be sorry, sir.
All right. Moving on.
Sir, I won't be able to turn my video on because my network
Your network has
is
issues.
very
I
slow.
understand. You have network issues every day. I am used to it. You can keep your video. Yeah, it's alright. Please keep quiet, butter. Okay. Okay then. Well, what can I say? I can do nothing about it. Keep it off. So, can anyone tell me what is a chemical bond?
Please, sir. So the linkage that which stands actually for the force which binds the atoms in a molecule together, is known as a chemical bond. So it was first invented, or shall I say, the theory of
Well,
chemical
yes.
bonding was founded by Gilbert Newton Lewis, who was born in 1876, and whose fundamental property about acid, base, and salt form a very important part of our education. Now, sir, chemical bonds are divided
Will
into
you
different
let me
types.
teach dedicated Dasgupta? I asked you for what a chemical bond is. You don't have to teach. I can do it
Okay, sir.
myself.
Okay, sir.
Alright.
Really sorry, sir. Really sorry, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay then. Alright. Moving moving on.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, have you marked me present, sir? Sir, my mic was not working, sir. Sir, please mark me present, sir.
Yes, you're marked present. Everything is done. You're marked present. I know you do this every day. Every day you're going to be sleeping during the attendance and you remember later. It's something we do every day. I have marked you. All right.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
All right. Okay, then we are going to move on. Wait. Who in God's name is Donald Trump? Donald Trump, please identify yourself. Who are you?
Swami Vivekananda.
Oh God, I am kicking this boy out. These boys enter with fake accounts. You have no right to study in a school like this. Okay, we are going to study now. Okay. We have to keep in mind that the school is recording. Butter, your network must be really bad because I can't hear you at all. Alright then, let's hope he'll enter with his real account. Now, chemical bonding, as dedicated Dasgupta mentioned, is the process.
Sir, how old is your dog, sir? May I ask?
My dog? Why do you want to know how old my dog is? And who told you I have a dog?
No, sir. I actually saw that from your social media account that you have a dog, sir. Please, sir. I have no wrong intention, sir. I like dogs, sir. I like dogs. But one day in class 6, while returning from school to home, I was bitten by a mad dog in my leg, and I
Alright.
had a lot of pain, sir. Please understand me, sir. I
Will
really
you
love
start
your
to pesky,
pet
pal?
dog, sir.
Let
Please,
me do my class, please.
sir. Please understand me.
Alright, yes, I understand. The first thing I am doing, I am blocking you on my social media.
Sorry,
Enough
sir.
of this. Okay, done. Alright
But
then.
animal.
What? What do you mean? What are you saying? Something pesky, pal? You got muted for some reason.
Sir, I actually
I
wanted
think
to
he
say
got mute.
that animal rights matter, sir. Hashtag animal rights matter, sir. Is very important.
Why would you say this in a class? Please, no. Mute yourself. Enough. I have no idea what is going on. I am going to continue. Thank God. Now, wait. Sleepy Sikdar, are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
Good morning, sir. Present, sir. Good morning, sir. Present. I'm present, sir. I'm present, sir.
You're present. What is happening here? Who is singing in class? Musician Mukherjee. Oh, you have a guitar in your hands. This is a chemistry class.
Sorry, sir. I
And,
thought
and, and I don't know what is happening here.
Sir, after all, we are children.
One boy was sleeping, and now you are playing a guitar and you're singing. I don't know what is happening. This keeps on happening. Oh my God.
Sir, please continue,
Appreciate our
sir.
talent, sir.
Please.
Sir, you should
Okay, shut up
appreciate
now.
our
Shut up
talent,
now.
sir.
Enough. I need to teach, please. This happens every day with your boys. This is the worst class I come to every day. It's a pathetic experience putting up with you people every day. Okay, now what is it, Network Nandi? Network Nandi, what do you... I can hear nothing but metallic noises from your mic.
Sir, if you don't mind, sir, can I say you one thing, sir? One doubt?
I've not even taught him. Alright, tell me, what doubt do you have?
Sir, I was saying that your wallpaper color is really beautiful, sir. The contrast between the two greens is indeed very interesting. It shows the nature lover inside you. Sir, in chemistry, besides with the chapter we are going to study, sir, there is another bond. That is the bond which you have, which nature and you have. And no power in this universe can break that bond, sir.
Okay,
Give me
okay, you don't have to look at my wallpaper. I am sitting right here. Please look at me. I am trying to
Sir,
teach.
I am, sir, trying to tell you something, but you are not understanding me, sir.
I don't need to understand. It's okay if you all understand
I am
chemistry.
a
That is
child,
enough.
sir. I
Sir,
can
I'm muting
say
you.
something.
I'm muting you. Enough. Yes, thank you for your input, Butter Bhattacharya.
Sir, please continue, sir.
What a class you people are. Let me just see. How many of you actually pay attention in class? There is not one competent boy in this entire class.
Sir,
Hey,
I am
you
competent.
clueless. Okay. Hey, you clueless Chatterjee. Clueless Chatterjee. How do you define chemical bonding?
Sir, can you hear me? Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I
Am I
can hear you.
audible?
Yes, you
Sir,
are
am I
audible.
audible? Sir,
Yes,
please
you
tell
are
me, am I
audible,
audible?
clueless Chatterjee.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir, I am audible. Yes, sir. The question that you ask is an incredibly well-framed question, and it will come really handy in our future lessons when we go for job interviews, many other things. And I feel, sir, that the question is very well structured as well.
Do we have an answer? I asked you
Yes,
how
sir.
do you
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, actually, the question that you, I mean, the well-structured question that you asked, its answer will be, its answer will be 129.
You mean to say that the definition of chemical bonding will be 129?
Yes, sir. Sir, is that wrong?
Sir?
Of course it is wrong.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
Of course
Sorry,
it
sir.
is wrong. How can you say something like this? This class is terrible. Not a
Sir, we have
single
right
boy
to speak,
studies.
sir.
Forgive us, sir. Sir, forgive us.
Sir, we have right to speak.
You have the right to speak, but to speak sense. You can't just
Keep
say
quiet.
that I have nothing to say about this class. This boy, Secret Sahani, he's just drooling. Pesky Pal is asking weird questions. Sleeping Sardar is sleeping. And as far as I remember, musician Mukherjee is still strumming on his guitar. Dedicated Dasgupta is trying to teach. Absent Advani is well absent. And clueless
Sir,
Chatterjee is
we
now.
all have individual talents, sir. You should appreciate it,
I
sir.
do know, but online class
Please,
is not a place to show your talent. Enough of this. I'll see what you all do. I'll see what you all do. Secret Sahani, you have been quiet all day. You tell me, what is the definition of chemical bonding? Let me see how much you have studied.
Am I
What is
audible,
the
sir?
definition of
Am I
chemical
audible,
bonding?
sir? Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, sir. A chemical bond is a lasting attraction between atoms, ions, or molecules that enables the formation of chemical compounds. The bond may result from the electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged ions, as in ionic bonds, or through the sharing of electrons, as in covalent bonds. Also, there is another bond known as a coordinate bond.
What?
I
Paul Pogba.
have seen enough. So there are students who study. This is something that has been happening to teachers all over the world. Students are fooling around in online classes, making it impossible for teachers to teach well.
And if we, as students, try to look at this matter from a teacher's perspective, this comes to life. We must keep in mind that teachers are teaching us using a medium that they are hardly familiar with.
We are having to learn a whole different mode of teaching in addition to managing a set of 50 monkeys just so we can continue our studies effectively.
The least we can do is to make this experience a little smoother for them, maybe by doing small things such as keeping our videos on so that our teachers can see us and be assured that it's just like an offline class.
Or maybe by helping them out with their technical difficulties. It is a hard time for learning, but I can assure you that it is an even harder time for teaching.
But we must pull through, and we will. To all the teachers who have taught us then and are teaching us now.
To all those who have built us to what we are today.
We wish you, on behalf of this entire team, a very, very happy Teachers' Day.